Assalamualaikum. This is Muhammad Karrar Hussain and you are watching Karrar Hussain YouTube channel. So I'm back again with more 5 openings. ठीक है, 4 ओपनिंग है अमेजोन में और एक ओपनिंग है वॉलमार्ट में. तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे इस वीडियो को 5 पार्ट्स में. ठीक है, तो वीडियो पूरा ज़रूर देखिए. सो इन फर्स्ट पार्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट अमेजोन इज हायरिंग डिजिटल एसोसिएट फॉर Chennai location, any fresher can apply. In second part, we'll discuss about Amazon is hiring associate recruiter for Bangalore location, Karnataka, any fresher can apply. In third part, we'll discuss about Amazon is hiring senior FinOps analyst. Experienced candidate can apply and location is Maharashtra. And in fourth part, we'll discuss about Amazon is hiring FinOps analyst for Hyderabad location, only experienced candidate can apply. And in fifth part, we'll discuss about Walmart is hiring business development executive for Vijayawada and Vizag location. आपके कमेंट के हिसाब से मुझे जितने भी अपडेट्स मिले मैं आपके सामने अभी अपडेट कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, आपके और जो कमेंट्स है मैं वो भी अपडेट करूँगा एज सून एज़ पॉसिबल, क्योंकि आज जुमा था तो मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला. आप चाहते हैं मैं आपकी जॉब भी आपकी लोकेशन का जॉब शेयर करूँ, सो प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो योर लोकेशन, सो मैं इंस्टेंट आपके लिए जॉब शेयर करूँगा. सो अच्छी बात यह है कि पहले के मुकाबले बहुत ज़्यादा लोग मुझे मैसेजेस कर रहे हैं कि दे आर गेटिंग सेलेक्टेड इन द कंपनीज़. बहुत अच्छी बात है. बहुत क्योंकि पहले लॉकडाउन था तो कंपनीज़ रिस्पांस नहीं दे रहे थे. अब क्या है कि कंपनीज़ रिस्पांस दे रहे हैं. जैसे ही मैं जॉब अपडेट करता हूँ ना तो अप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड डू लाइक दिस वीडियो सो दैट इट रीचेस द मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब. वीडियो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए ताकि मैं आपके लिए और बेहतरीन ऐसे ही अच्छी वाले जॉब लाते रहूँ. ठीक है, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट विल टॉक अबाउट अमेजॉन इज हायरिंग डिजिटल एसोसिएट फॉर चेन्नई लोकेशन. ठीक है, basic qualification, a graduate in any field of study, MSc, BSc, quantitative fields such as science and engineering preferred but not mandatory. Good familiarity with the Windows desktop environment and use of Word, Excel, IE, Firefox, etc. are required. Ability to handle multiple categories, images in a fast-paced environment. Amazon is committed to a diverse and inclusive workplace. Amazon is an equal opportunity employer and does not discriminate on the basis of race, national origin, gender identity, sexual orientation, disability, age, or other legally protected status. Preferred qualification, good familiarity with the Windows desktop environment and use of Word, Excel, IE, Firefox, etc. are required. Flexibility and interest to do repetitive tasks is preferred. High level of energy and proactive nature, a sense of ownership and drive, and a willingness to accept the challenge of a daily deadlines is essential. Interested candidate, if you are from Chennai, if you are looking for a job in Amazon and the role is very good, digital associate. ठीक है, link is given in the description box. Please go and apply and do share with your friends if you want to help your friend. Coming to the second opening, Amazon is hiring freshers for Bangalore, Karnataka location and the role is associate recruiter. Coming to the job description, we are looking for a dynamic, organized self-starter to join our recruiting services organization in Bangalore location. Recruiting services support Amazon talent acquisition organization with all administrative activities and recruiting coordination globally. Responsibilities include handle high volume transaction of scheduling and non-scheduling in nature and other assignments in alignment with standard operating procedures. Come up with process improvement ideas and participate in continuous improvement lean projects. Maintaining highest quality and improving customer experience. Address customer queries in a timely manner. Adhere to process level service level agreements. Able to work on a critical process which needs to be dive deep and attention to detail. Proactive with deliverable and display ownership. Should be able to work with data sets. Flexible to work in a different shift and weekend working model. Basic qualification, flexible to work in 24/7 in voice and non-voice environment. BA, BSc degree or MBA degree. Experience in recruiting services, strong knowledge of Excel, knowledge of MS Office, Word, PowerPoint, etc. A passion to exceed expectation, project management skills, strong verbal and written skills, ability to continually prioritize changing responsibilities. Preferred qualification, human resource or recruiting experience, exposure to full life cycle recruiting, a plus. Genuine customer service orientation with demonstrated desire to exceed expectations. Ability to serve multiple customer stakeholders, project transition managers and program team. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Ability to identify and resolve issues independently. Interested candidate, if you are from Bangalore, looking for job in if you want to recruit someone, आप किसी की हेल्प करना चाहते हो, किसी को हायर करना चाहते हो, तो यहाँ पर अमेजोन आपको हायर कर रहा है एज ए रिक्रूटर. ठीक है, आप अमेजोन में HR बनकर बहुत लोगों की हेल्प कर सकते हो। तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए, जिसको भी रिक्रूटर बनना है ना, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके लिए। फ्रेशर्स कैन अप्लाई, ठीक है। लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, प्लीज गो एंड अप्लाई। कमिंग टू द थर्ड ओपनिंग, अमेजोन इज हायरिंग सीनियर फिनॉप्स एनालिस्ट, ठीक है। बेसिक क्वालिफिकेशन ग्रेजुएट इन फाइनेंस, अकाउंटिंग, मैनेजमेंट, प्रोफिशिएंट इन स्पोकन एंड written skills, ability to communicate and present complex analysis data clearly and concisely, ability to work independently in a fast-paced and rapidly changing environment, analytical skills with the ability to get into the detail while also seeing and understanding the bigger picture. Preferred qualification, advanced Excel and advanced SQL skills are advantageous. Experience in accounts payable or accounts receivable field is an advantage. ठीक है। Interested candidate, link is given in the description box. If you are interested to work in Amazon as a senior FinOps analyst, if you are from Maharashtra, if you have experience in accounts payable or accounts receivable, then this job is for you. Please go and apply. Link is given in the description box. Fourth part, Amazon is hiring FinOps analyst for Hyderabad location, ठीक है। Basic qualification, post graduation or a master graduate degree accounting or finance, prior experience of 2+ years in accounts payable operation, experience of working on a time critical processes, working knowledge of Outlook, Excel and Word, participated in lean projects, quality circles and creative work groups. Preferred qualification, advanced Excel skills and are advantageous. Knowledge of Oracle financial application, OFPA experience is preferred. Knowledge around suppliers, vendor payment queries will be preferred. Interested candidate, if you are looking for job in FinOps analyst in Amazon, if you are a graduate, postgraduate, if you are a graduate from accounting or finance, or a postgraduate, if you are interested to work in Amazon as a FinOps analyst, and if you have experience in FinOps analyst or accounts payable, this job is for you. Link is given in the description box. Please go and apply. Coming to the fourth opening, Walmart is hiring FMCG product, furniture, or electronics B2B sales at Walmart locations is Vijayawada and Vizag. Salary from 12,500 in hand plus 2,600 per month allowances plus 5k incentive plus ESIC, PF, medical insurance. Product, stationery items, ready-made garments, consumer durables, electronics, furniture, clothing. Roles, visiting stores, merchant and generate orders. Candidate having prior experience in Eureka, Forbes, AquaGuard, Agio, Udan, Metro, Shop, Mintra, India Mart can apply. Interested candidate, if you are from Vizag, if you are from Visakhapatnam, looking for job in Walmart in a B2B sales, then this job is for you. Email ID and contact number is given in the description box. Please go and apply. Right now we discuss 5 opening, 4 of them 4 है from Amazon, एक है from Walmart. जितने भी आपके कमेंट के हिसाब से मुझे ओपनिंग्स मिले, क्योंकि आज ज़्यादा ओपनिंग्स नहीं आए हैं, जितने भी आए हैं आपके लिए मैं अपडेट करूँगा, ठीक है। अभी जितने आए हैं मैं आपके लिए अपडेट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है। अभी और 2 वीडियोस डालूंगा आज ही मैं, ठीक है। आज ही और 2 वीडियोस डालूंगा। आप कमेंट में पोस्ट कीजिए आपका लोकेशन, आप कहाँ का लोकेशन है, आपका कहाँ की क्वालिफिकेशन क्या है आपकी, देखकर अभी मैं और चेक करूँगा और आपके लिए और जॉब्स अपडेट करूँगा, ठीक है। यू कैन ऑल्सो सपोर्ट मी बाई सब्सक्राइबिंग माई चैनल।